So you might all have read or downloaded research papers. I'll be showing this one paper of Chalcom. So I just save it and you can have a look how the naming is done. One is 202.0 S9 whatever, but the title of this paper is different. This is this new high entropy oxide something. And if tomorrow I want to see this paper, I can't search it by title. I have to put this file name. So the easiest way or the thing that can help us in this is the called a reference management software. One such example is Zotero. There are also others. Called one is EndNote and another is Mendeley. So Zotero is a open source and free software. Mendeley is free but not open source. It is owned by Elsevier. And there is EndNote, which is a subscription based model, or you have to pay for this software. And I list out advantage and disadvantage of all. So Zotero, once it is free, and another thing is it's very quite compatible with Windows, Linux, and even Google Docs. But then there is Mendeley. Mendeley was actually very good prior to I think 2022 or something. Then they changed their main software, that is the UI of the software, and now it has become quite hard to use this software. But this is also very much comparable with Zotero. The third is EndNote. EndNote is, I think, one of a very good software, but the thing is that to use EndNote, it's like an Apple company. You need to have Apple phone, laptop, tablet. Similarly, you use EndNote. Your friend you also uses EndNote. Your lab also uses EndNote. Then this is the best software, I think. But even if one person out of the group does not use EndNote, it's a very cumbersome software, and you can't export citations from this unless you have like EndNote people. Like all the group is EndNote. So easiest of all is Zotero. You don't need to export anything; it just comes out as text. So, and let's just see Zotero. So you can download this from here, Zotero, whatever. And yeah, also while download the Zotero connector. So I'm using Firefox, so it shows Firefox, but it's also available for all the others, Chrome, Edge, Safari, whatever you use. And then here it will get added as a paper icon, like a white paper, and this is how it works. Now I'm not open it, I'll show you. So I open my Zotero, and yeah. So now that my Zotero is open, I can just press this one, and it will save the thing to the Zotero. So how do we use this? Once I've downloaded, installed everything, here you can create a folder. I've already created test YouTube, since I was trying to record but it did not come out. So yeah, I created a folder. You just put this, and here you can select. I don't want to create in this folder. I just my library and just create collection. So once you create your folder, by your papers, registry, whatever, then there is three methods to add papers. One is this. Suppose I want to you add this paper. One is this connector. I just click on it. It saves to the this same collection. So you have here high entropy memristus. Yeah. Then okay, let's add some other paper. Uh, yeah, cobalt based electrocatalysis. So another method is to use the DOI of this. So here is the DOI. I just copy in this magic wand icon and I paste it, and it's done. The paper is added. This is a second method. The third method to add is you have a downloaded PDF, just drag and drop it. So see, these three are the methods. It takes a moment to create it. Now it has been added. So that's how this works for addition of papers. Then you have how to use this. So let's see this in MS Word. Suppose I write something like in my country, then I want to put some reference here. I just go to Zotero, add citation, and whatever citation style you want to select. You can also go here and get additional citation styles and all by your journal paper. Journal of alloys and compounds. Let's say I want this journal format. I just click it and it comes in here. It's already there, Jalcom. So I just do, and from here I select Jalcom and just OK. So once I've selected that, add citation, then the last paper that I added is this. Sometimes it doesn't show up, you have to put the title, just to enter. Now again I want to add something more. Then I do add citation. I select cobalt. So then we have added another paper, restless. So this is how you add multiple papers. Now you want to delete one of them, just go to here, just tap this add citation and delete it. That's it. Press a backspace, it's done. Once you are done with your citations, you need to add bibliography. Just click this button, add edit bibliography, and it comes up to the format that you have selected. So that's how the easy this is using Zotero. And yeah, the one thing I was mentioning about Mendeley, I used to use Mendeley, but then the problem with Mendeley is first they used to have a window like UI similar to Zotero, then which was called Mendeley Connect, I think. Then they brought up Mendeley Site or Site. This was called Sitomatic. Then it became Mendeley Site, and it's adding papers to this one is very hard, and also sometimes the field codes just disappear. Field codes are these things, like you see the highlighted part, that's a field code, and with Mendeley these field codes generally disappear. So that's a very big problem. Zotero, you can just use it as such. If you want to unlink, let's say for some reason, just press unlink and it will say that you can't edit something. So that's how it happens. Okay, I think that was that about reference management softwares.